So hey guys, welcome back to another video. Luke is here. So let's talk about this wiper switch symptom. So the first symptom is the car I had yesterday, and customer complained he had the wiper blades turning on all the time. So that's the first time. So the bad switch, and so it's intermittently working. So if you turn the key on, and probably, if I count it right, just probably 2 minutes or 1 minute, the wiper will turn on by itself, even though the switch is to be turned off. So that is one symptom. So this bad switch is one symptom, is the wiper turn on by itself. And second symptom, you cannot turn it off. So even though I turn it off, then I look at the scan tool data, then it said the scan tool data said it's turned on. So it's something bad going on right here, because the switch is being worn out, or the contact being worn out. That's why it's stay on all the time, because the whole switch is like a circuit board right here. So it has all kind of how was that? I did not open it up yet, so it's pretty fancy stuff. So you got a resistor. I don't know what is on the other side. So that's only two symptoms that you have. And the third symptom is very common. If you turn the switch on, it's not turning on. That means it's totally bad. That's it. That's just the most easiest one. That's only 3 symptoms for this wiper switch. So that's a symptom that you have. There's only 3. That's only just pretty simple. And if you like the video, I know this kind of short video, and just to help you guys out for diagnostic, and also the customer, if they have a bad switch. So this is called a wiper switch. So that's it, and I hope you like the video, and please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and it really helped me out to grow this channel. And by the way, I also have a Q&A every week. If you have any question regarding about your car, or your car repair, or your car concern, please don't hesitate to sign up. It is free. So I host this Q&A from 30 minutes to 45 minutes, and the link is down in the description. Please hit the link, and it will show you how to sign up for this Q&A. I will see you in the Q&A. So that's it. Luke is out. So until next time, I will see you in the next video. Right. Bye for now.